Hi everyone and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I'm giving you a tiny glimpse into my home because I'm making over my fireplace and making it fall ready. This video is part of a collaboration. This collaboration is being hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY. She brought a few of us together and we are choosing a part of the home where we want to dupe something that we found on Pinterest, anywhere on Instagram. So this is my inspiration piece. I love the way she had the florals on both sides and the little banner on the fireplace. Now my fireplace is all black, so I'm gonna adjust a few things, and because I have a TV right on top of my fireplace, the signs that I'm going to put up are going to be a little different because they need to fit into my space. With that being said, I will attach Sonja's channel down below along with the playlist of the ladies who are participating so you can take a look of what they duped and how they duped. I cannot wait to watch. Let's just get started. Okay, you guys, so instead of painting a jar, I thought of another idea and I'm hoping it's going to work. So I got just a regular cotton fabric here, and somewhere I measured it out. Here it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover the jars with the fabric. Okay, so the top, I'm just going to fold in. That's it. We're all done at the top. At the bottom, fold in this way, then this way, then this way. No burning of the fingers today. Okay, so once we have our jar, we need to get our florals. And that's pretty much our bouquet. We have the orange and the brown feathers. Then we have a little berries. Oh my goodness, all these tags everywhere. And then we have the yellow leaves. And if I feel like we need to add something, we will. But at this point, we're starting with this. I'm also not one to overdo it too much. So we got the berries. And we got yellow leaves. And I also picked up some orange ones. And these orange ones have berries like in the back. So it kind of works really nicely. Okay. So the first sign is going to be from the Dollar Tree, and it's one of these shadow boxes in the back, and in the front I'm going to somehow try to remove this. So I will be painting this in this chalky paint. And it's black. It's solid black. In my inspiration picture, the fireplace mantle was a brown shade. So the pictures on there were like a dark brown. But my fireplace is black, all black. So I kind of wanted that to blend in and well, I want it to look nice. The pictures I'm not going to be copying exactly. I wanted to make it unique to me and what fits in my home decor. But I'm definitely using their inspiration and what they had. So let me just paint and then we will move on. So while my surface is drying, or my little shadow box is drying, I'm grabbing this little, I think this is a maple leaf from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to keep the stem for now just to kind of give me a little bit of a hold, but later on I will take this part off. And now we are going to the white. I have white Rust-Oleum that I love using. And for this, I'm going to use a brush like this because I want to paint the leaf. I love the black and white contrast. That's actually what drew me to Farmhouse. It just, I don't know why, it looks so sleek. And some people don't think white is a color, but it definitely is a color to me. Alright, you guys, so the next two signs are going to be identical. This is from the Dollar Tree last year, and it's that football one where it's pumpkin, football, pumpkin, football, pumpkin. So I'm going to take two of the pumpkins. I just sanded it down where the staples were so it's nice and smooth for when I put my chalk paint on. So while that's drying, I'm going to work on these. And these I got at Hobby Lobby, I want to say. Originally $5.99, I paid 90% off. So yeah, this was amazing. So for this, I will be using black once again. Black usually covers a lot better than white, and 2 coats I find, especially with the chalk paint, is more than enough. Because it really shows that division, I'm just going to use a little tiny brush and I'm going to go on the inside and make sure that that's painted on the inside. Alright, so I have my sign. That's the one that has a little stand on there. And I'm just going to hot glue this straight on. Now it's time to make the banner. I have nice thick cardstock to make my banner. And in my inspiration piece, the banner is black with white letters, but because my fireplace is completely black, I'm going to do white with black letters. Alright, so I'm going to measure off at 4 inches. If you just had a little cutter, but apparently mine grew legs and just disappeared. These are the letters I'll be using, and this is from the Dollar Tree. So I think I'm just going to put a letter so I can see where I want, how long I want it to be. Alright, I'm ready to do my fall little banner. I just clipped off where I want my letter F to start. Okay, I'm starting with this garland that I got at, I want to say Michael's a few years ago after season. These are Dollar Tree pumpkins from last year. And so are these. These cubbies on my fireplace, and I have these gorgeous pumpkins that I got at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. So when I thought about this back and forth, my theme here, see my pumpkins have gold on them, but I'm also farmhouse. I also have my black and white. So here is what I decided to do. These gorgeous beauties are going to go on top. Then I'm going to have my farmhouse ones in the middle. And then I have these beauties I bought at Walmart a few years ago. Oh, I just changed my mind, didn't I? They go back here. There you go. Now I like that. Okay. Now for a little fireplace magic. What do you guys think? I think it turned out cute. Hope you like it.